My dear students, in this video, we are going to solve some problems given in your textbook under the topic permutations. Our first problem is how many strings can be formed from the letters of the word article so that vowels occupy the even places. Article என்ற வார்த்தையில் உள்ள எழுத்துக்களை பயன்படுத்தி எத்தனை வார்த்தைகளை நீங்கள் அமைக்க முடியும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So that the condition is the vowels occupy even places. Vowels வந்து even places தான் வரணும். 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in the article there. So article, in the word article you have 7 letters. 3 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. This is second place, this is fourth place, this is sixth place, even places. Even places are 3 places and vowels are A, I, E. Vowels are 3 vowels are there in the letters, in the word article there are 3 vowels A, I, E and there are 3 even places. So 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 places in 3 factorial ways. See, A can be goes there and E comes here, I comes here, like that. The arrangements are in 3 factorial ways because 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 places in 3 factorial ways. Vowels occupy in even places. So 3 vowels can be arranged. 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 even places. 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 even places in 3 factorial ways. 3 even places, 3 vowels are there, therefore they can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. The remaining 4 letters R, T, C, L. That remaining 4 consonants, vowels, other letters are otherwise called consonants. So there are 4 consonants R, T, C, L. These 4 consonants can occupy in 4 other places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 odd places are there. So those places, in those places, 4 places, the 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. The remaining 4 letters can be arranged in 4 places. The remaining 4 places in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the total words are total strings. Therefore, the total strings arranged are 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24. So 6 and 24, 144. Therefore, 144 strings can be arranged in the letters of the word article so that the vowels can be placed in even places. There are 144 strings. Okay? Next problem. Find the distinct permutations of the letters of the word Mississippi. இந்த மிசிசிப்பி என்ற வார்த்தையில் இருக்கிற எழுத்துக்களை பயன்படுத்தி எத்தனை விதமான டிஸ்டிங்க்ட் பர்முடேஷன், எத்தனை விதமான வெவ்வேறான வார்த்தைகளை நீங்கள் அமைக்க முடியும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Distinct permutation. That means different words can be formed from the letters of the word Mississippi. So இந்த மாதிரி letters திரும்ப வருதுன்னு வச்சுங்க. In this letter, Mississippi, in this word, there are 11 letters. There are 11 letters in the given word Mississippi. In the word Mississippi. In the given word. there are 11 letters in the given word Mississippi, out of which 4 S's. S's are 4. How many S's? 4. I is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I 4, S 4. P 2. P is only 2. I is S 4, I 4, P 2. இது நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு P is எதுன்னு போட்டு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்க வேணாம். See, listen. S 4, I 4, S 4, P 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்போ 11 லெட்டர்ஸில் ஒரே ஒரு எம் தான். எம் வந்து டிஃபரெண்ட், ஒரே ஒரு சிங்கிள் எம் கான்சனன்ட் எம் வந்து வரும். டோட்டலாக 11 லெட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ரிப்பீட்டட் லெட்டர்ஸ் வந்தால் அந்த ரிப்பீட்டட் லெட்டர்ஸ் நம்ம டோட்டல் பர்முடேஷன் டோட்டல் லெட்டர்ஸால் டிவைட் பண்ணிடணும். நம்ம பர்முடேஷன் உடைய ஐடியா. The total number of permutations வந்து numerator 11 factorial மொத்த letters divided by the repeated letters divide பண்ணிடணும். 4 factorial, 4 I's, 4 S's and 2 P's. So 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 11 factorial 1 இருந்து 11 வரைக்கும் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணி 4 factorial 24 into 24 into 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் ஆன்சர் வரும். அது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிக்கலாம், அல்லது எப்படி கூட விட்டுக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. 11 factorial பெருக்கிறது ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆகும், பெரிய டிஜிட்ஸ் வரும், அதனால் அப்படியே கூட விட்டுக்கலாம். So total number of permutations, distinct permutations are 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. ஏன்னா 4 வந்து I, 4S, 2 P இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால் ஒரு M இருக்குன்னா அதை டிவைட் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. ஒன்றால் எந்த நம்பரை டிவைட் பண்ணாலும் பண்ணலாலும் ஒன்று தான். ஸோ அதில் ரிப்பீட்டட் லெட்டர்ஸுடைய ஃபேக்டோரியல்ஸ் மட்டும், ஏன்னா அதுக்குள்ளே நம்ம 4 SS 4 தடவை மாற்றலாம், 4 ஐயை 4 தடவை மாற்றலாம், 4 ஃபேக்டோரியல் டைப். அதனால் அதில் தான் டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ தீஸ் distinct permutations arrived from the letters of the word Mississippi. That's all about the problem. Okay? அடுத்த சம் பாருங்க. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged that all the S's are together? இந்த word successல இருந்து இருக்கிற SS பூரா ஒண்ணா வச்சிட்ட மாதிரி எத்தனை வார்த்தைகள் அமைக்கலாம்? இப்ப சக்சஸ் என்ற வார்த்தையில 7 லெட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கு டோட்டலா. See, in the word success there are 7 letters, out of which S's are 3. In the word success, there are 3 S's. So 3 S's can be arranged together, or they are arranged as one unit. These 3 S's can be considered as one unit. And the 3 S's ஒரு யூனிட்டா கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். மீதி ரிமைனிங் 4 letters இருக்கு. The remaining 4 letters plus these 3 S's together gives 5 places. So the remaining 4 letters and 1 unit of 3 S's and 3 S's together form 5 places, totally 5 places. 4 letters together 3 S's form 5 places. So totally 4 places, 4 another letter from 3 S's form 5 places. Out of these 4 letters, what is that 4 letters? U, C, C, E. These are the 4 letters and 3 S's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally, these 4 plus 1, totally they are 5 places. Out of it, in the 4, there are 2 C's are there. Out of these 4 remaining 4 letters, there are 2 C's. In the remaining 4 letters, there are 2 C's. There are 2 C's. Therefore, total words are 5 places for 5 factorial. Therefore, the total words formed are total 5 places becomes 5 factorial way by the out of the 4 there are 2 C's are there. There are the repetition 2 C's can be divided by 2 factorial. Therefore, 5 factorial by 2 factorial is the now total number of words. 5 factorial is 120. 2 factorial is 2. Therefore, there are 60 words. See, from the words success, considering all the 3 S's together, the total number of words so formed are 60. That's all about the problem. Okay? See, next problem. How many strings are there using the letters of the word intermediate if the vowels and consonants are alternating? ஒரு இன்டர்மீடியட் என்ற வார்த்தையிலிருந்து வவல்ஸும் கான்சனன்ட்ஸும் ஆல்டர்னேட்டாக வர்ற மாதிரி எத்தனை வார்த்தைகள் நீங்கள் அமைக்க முடியும், எத்தனை ஸ்ட்ரிங்ஸ் உன்னால் கொண்டு வர முடியும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The total number of words in the word intermediate, total number of letters in the word intermediate are 12. Total words in the total letters in the word intermediate are 12. Out of which vowels 6, 2i, 3e, 1a, total 6 vowels. Similarly, consonants also 6, t2, n1, r1, m1, d1. Totally 6 consonants. So, they are in alternative places. There are total 12 places are there. Alternatively, there are, see, if you start, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters are there in the word intermediate. Alternatively, if you start from vowel first you start vowel, next consonants, next vowel, next consonants, next vowel, next consonant, next vowel, next consonant, next vowel, next consonant, next vowel, next consonant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vowels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consonants are there. Like this, the vowels and consonants are alternatively you have to arrange. So, first, if you start with the vowel, if we start with the vowels are arranged in 6 factorial. The vowels are arranged in 6 factorial ways divided by, there are 2 i's and 3 e's are there, therefore 2 i's and 3 e's are repeated, therefore that should be divided by 6 factorial is to be divided by 2 factorial 3. This is the arrangement of vowels. Similarly, the consonants are arranged, if you start with vowels, the vowels are arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial way. The consonants are arranged in consonants also 6 factorial by, there are 2 t's only, therefore 2 factorial. See, the total ways are, the total strings are 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into multiplication rule 6 factorial. Vowels are arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Consonants are arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial, and multiplication rule, these two should be multiplied, and this is the one arrangement. Wait. If we start with the vowel, this is the arrangement. Suppose if you start with the consonants, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. This is also an arrangement. This is also an alternative arrangement. See, if you start with the vowel, first arrangement, you will get that words. If you start with the consonants, also a possibility. If you start with the consonant, it's also an alternate arrangement. In this case also, the same vowels by 6 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and consonants by 6 factorial by 2 factorial. It's also, if you start with the consonants also, the same factors should be repeated. Therefore, if we start with the consonants, the same thing is repeated. Therefore, the total, we have to multiply it twice. The same factor should be multiplied once again, because consonant, if you start with the consonant, the same factors are available. Therefore, the total strings are 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2. For vowels 1 factor and consonants for 1 factor, the same factor. Therefore, we have to multiply the same thing into 2. This, if you simplify this result, you will get the required answer. The answer should be, after complete simplification, you will get 43,200. If you simplify, you will get 43,200 per string. If you simplify 6 factorial by 6 into 2, 12. 6 factorial is 720 by 12 into 720 by 2. You simplify and you will get, you multiply by 2. Why we are multiplying the factor by 2? I explained. Consonant also, if you start with the consonant, the same factor is repeated. Therefore, we have to multiply by 2 and you will get the answer. That's all about the problem. Okay? Next subdivision in the problem, all the vowels together. So, there are 6 vowels. You should consider all the 6 vowels together as one unit. The remaining consonants are 6. Plus all 6 vowels together, you will get total 7 places. All the vowels are together, considered as one unit. All the 6 vowels considered, all 6 vowels considered as one unit. So, consonants 6 places plus all 6 vowels as one unit, totally 7 places. So 6 consonants and 6 vowels as one unit, considered as considered as 6 plus 1, 7 unit. So these 7 units can be considered as 6 plus 1, 7 units. They are in 7 factorial by, in the consonant there are 2 t's, therefore 7 factorial by 2 factorial. In this arrangement consists of is arrangement consists of 7 factorial by 2 factorial space, 2 factorial strings, because 6 plus 1 7 factorial, out of which 2 keys are there in the consonants, therefore 7 factorial by 2 factorial strings. Okay. Next, the vowels themselves can be arranged in these 6 vowels can themselves arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. The vowels themselves arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial to 3 factorial way. Therefore, total strings are 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. That's all about the arrangement. See, if you simplify the 7 factorial by 2 factorial to 6 factorial by 2 factorial to 3 factorial is, if you simplify these things, you will get 1,51,200 strings you will get. If you simplify this, you will get this answer. So 1,51,200 strings are there if the vowels are considered as one unit. That's all about this subdivision. Thereby I conclude this video, and we will continue the problems in our next video. Thank you.